Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be seeing on how to customize the quick access toolbar. As I explained, this is called as quick access toolbar. Here you can see a drop down where you can see multiple options where you can include quick access toolbar, multiple options like new Excel sheet, open a previous Excel sheet, save, email, quick print, and so on. And there you can see a last two options, that is more commands, show below the ribbon. Show below the ribbon is nothing but it will be reflecting below the ribbon. This is called as a ribbon. Below the ribbon it will be reflecting. Normally people tend to use show above ribbon because it gives more space on the worksheet. And more commands, in more commands, as you can see, there are n number of options which normally helps you to add into a normal quick access ribbon. Normal, let me see, show you a option filter. Filter is a normal option where I'll be adding. I'll further on filter you'll be seeing in new sessions or further sections, but currently just see a filter where it has to be in the order. Normally I'll keep the filter in first. Why? I'll show you in a bit of a time. A filter, okay, I added a filter. Now press OK. You can see the filter option has been added. So instead of going through the options like data and then searching on a particular option called as filter, so you can directly click on filter. It will be readily available for you as always. So now I hope you have learned how to add an option in quick access toolbar. I hope this session helped you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.